Hello friends, in last lesson we learned group policy, and under group policy uh, we get understanding about group policy targeting on security groups and WMI filtering, and how we will apply a policy on users and computers. In this lesson we will try to learn group policy enforcing and group policy precedence. So see, what is the group policy precedence? Like suppose that this is my OU, and here you can see it's showing a lot of policy applied on this OU from uh, your root domain. So let's apply some policy. Okay, see, currently we have linked a four policy on this OU. So here you can see uh, it's showing number of linked policy object on this OU. So let's suppose that I want to apply a power setting first. So here you can see there is up arrow. When I'll click up arrow, here you can see a power setting policy precedence is high, and this policy will apply first on a IND computers. Now suppose that I want to apply a default domain policy first on this IND computer OU. Then I'll make it higher. Link order is showing first. Now I want to define a second order for Windows firewall. Means after applying domain policy, I want to apply a Windows firewall policy on this OU, IND computer OU. So I'm making this precedent second, and after applying a disable Windows firewall, I want to apply a power setting policy. So here you can see with help of this move up and move down icon, you can define a policy precedence, means which policy you want to apply first. Now see, suppose that I want to make default domain policy on all OU by default. So here you can see, like suppose that here you can see uh, IND computer OU. I am blocking block inheritance. Here you can see. Now I have blocked inheritance. So here you can see group policy inheritance. It's showing nothing like trusted root CA installation GPO or CMD and control panel policies not showing because currently I have blocked inheritance, and top root level domain policy will not apply on this folder. Like here you can see I am removing inheritance. Here you can see the both two policies are getting applied. If I am blocking inheritance, here you can see these two policies removed. So, and now suppose that I want to install trusted root CA, and I want to apply this policy on all OUs. Suppose that if I have blocked inheritance, then it will also apply on in this OU, like where we have blocked the inheritance. So here you can see when I am clicking on enforced, means it will apply all the OU even you have blocked inheritance. So here you can see, and here you can see after enabling uh, enforce mode, here you can see this policy is showing precedence is showing 1, means it's forcefully applied on this IND computers. If I'm removing enforced, here you can see now it's removed. And if I'm allowing inheritance locked mode, enforce mode, here you can see it's getting applied. Now I am removing inheritance mode, and under group policy, like suppose this is my default domain policy. So how we will define a password policy or user rights assignment on end user system. So here you can see under policy section, Windows settings, there is a security settings. Under security settings, here you can see account policies. Under account policies, you will get a password policy setting, account lockout policy, coverage policy, and under local policies, here you will get the audit policy options. And under user rights assignment, here you can see you will get a lot of options related to user rights, and with help of this policy you can deploy rights on end user systems or servers. So here you can see here you can see allow logon through remote desktop services, and here you can see I can define users or groups for allowing RDP access. Okay, here you can see add workstation to domain. If I let any users or groups here, then that user will be able to add any system in domain or workgroup. Deny logon as batch job, deny logon as service. Here you will see allow. Here you can see allow logon locally. So there is a lot of options. So let's define enforce policy enforce password history. Means under enforce password history you can define how many passwords uh, your end directory will remember. Like suppose that here I have marked 24 password remember, means I cannot use uh, password till 24 times. Like suppose that today I am changing my password ABC, second day I am changing DCA, third day I am changing EFG. Then after 24 password, like 24 days, I typed XYG. Then if I want to use a ABC password again, then after 24 number password I can use when I'll get a notification for password change on 25th time, then I can use my ABC password. Maximum password age. Maximum password age is you can say a number of days when your password will expire. And minimum password age. Minimum password age means 1. Means suppose that if I am changing your password today, and suppose that if you want to change yourself, suppose that after resetting password I give a new option change password on first login, means when user will log in with updated password he will get prompt for change your password. And when user will define a new password and same day user will try to update a new password, then directory service will not allow to update a password in within a 1 day. Means next day user can update new password. Password length Password length is means you can define a number of character, like how long you want to keep your password, like a 10 character, 11 character, 14 character. Password meet complexity. Here you can see under complexity what are the parameter, like contain a character of these following four categories, like English uppercase, lowercase a to z, lowercase digits, non-alphabet. So you can say it's a combination of multiple characters, like a letter, number, and special characters. Store password using reversible encryption means it will store your password in reversible encryption, and hacker easily can hack your password. So by default here you can see uh, this setting is getting disabled in a new domain controller. Here under account lockout policy, here you can see lockout duration when you will enable it. By default is 30 minutes. You can define yourself, like you want to uh, set a 1 hour, then you will put a 60 minutes. Here account lockout threshold means how many numbers if you will give a wrong password, then your system will log out. Like I am defining here 3 means after 3 invalid logon attempt your account will be locked. Okay, and after 30 minutes it will get automatically unlocked. Under audit policy, here you can see uh, you can capture a event log and user event log, like success failure. You can define adjust account management. Here it's related to audit logs. And now second question is where the you are getting these settings. So here you can see when I am expanding this, here you can see currently it's loading from a local computer. So in enterprise network it's not a best practice. And see file path, like where it's coming. See under C Windows policy definition, when you will open this folder, here you can see these are ADMX and ADML templates, and basically it's multiple settings. Here you can see netlog on ADMX policy, here power management, printing policies, power ADMX. So currently these policies are loading locally, and how we can make it a centralized. So see here, we will simply copy this. Now we will go to C Windows and under sysvol, C Windows sysvol folder. Under sysvol folder, here you can see a sysvol. This is your domain. You will open under domain, you will get a policy folder, and simply you will paste here. So now we have pasted in a centralized wallet, and now it will replicate on your all domain controller. So now see a changes. Here you can see it's currently showing a retrieve from a local computer. So we will close it. We will refresh. Now we will try to open this policy. Now here you can see retrieved from a central storage. Let me expand. See here it's showing a retrieved from a central store. Now if we will go to our TC2, might be it's not replicated, and in replication it will take some time. Oh, it's replicated. Here you can see on DC2 we are also started getting retrieved from central store. Now third option is how you will add third party ADMX file. Suppose that if suppose that you have received a requirement for controlling a Google Chrome. So how we will restrict a Google Chrome in your environment? Because under here you can see under administrative template you are not getting any option for Google Chrome or MS Office. How you will control MS Office or O365 application, because controls are those application controls are not here. So for this you can add a ADMX template. For Google ADMX, Google Chrome ADMX template, you can directly download it from Google site. Now here you can see on manage Google Chrome. So here you can see enterprise and education help. Under this, manage Chrome browser with Windows device management, and here you can see integrate a Chrome ADMX file into your Google admin console, and from here you can download ADMX template. The manage policy section, here you can see download. It's downloading my Google Chrome policy template, and same thing you will do for MS Office. Here you can see administrative template, ADMX, ADML file, and Office customization tool for M365 app for Enterprise Office 2019 and 16. So with help of this ADMX file, you can also control uh, Office applications. So currently we will try uh, to install only ADMX file. Here it's a lot of other languages, but our main requirement is English. So we will select only Google Chrome ADML file, and we will open our centralized sysful folder. Here we will put it in ADML section. We have added ADML file. We will copy these to Admx under policy definition. Here you can see where already stored .admx file. You will paste in same container. So now we have added .admx and .adml file here. In this policy definition in US container, we have added .adml file, and under policy definition we have added .admx file. Now close this and reopen. Here you can see we are able to view one additional control or Google Chrome. So here you can see we can control a lot of things from here related to Google Chrome. So in this lesson we learned inheritance, policy precedence, enforcing policy, and adding third-party .admx tab, admx template. So thanks for watching, friends. Now see you in next video.